Guys, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be cracking open a really cool model. This is a Matchbox Moving Parts, and this is a 2023 release. Brand new casting, 2022 Lexus LX. And this has an opening trunk, as you can see that right there. This is a beautiful casting. I've been looking forward to this one coming out. This is from the 2023. You can tell it's 2023 because 70 years of Matchbox. Nice new packaging, and then there you go, 16 out of 54 on the year for the moving parts. This was $259 at Target. Was on a sale. Usually they're $299. And there you go, there's the back of the card. You can read that if you'd like. 23 copyright on that. And there you go. This is an awesome 2022 Lexus LX. And we're just going to crack it open for the loose display. How are we going to do this? What is the best way to open these? I have never opened up a Matchbox Moving Parts before, so we're just going to have to, we can pick at the corner there. Just kind of work our way around here. Oh boy. I don't want to rip the package. Oh, no, I think we did pretty good there. No, still ripping it a little. We can work our way down here. Should be able to rip it open there. That was a horrible open. Man, I could do way better than that. Okay. That's fine. I still do save the packaging, but don't really use it for much. Look at this little stand here for it. That's really nifty. Probably keep that on it. 2022 Lexus LX. This is the Lexus SUV with a beautiful opening hatch. There's a look at it's a very heavy wow. It is a heavy casting. Let me tell you that right now. Has some beautiful weight to it. Look at that. Look at that grill, man. That is a big grill. It's almost comical how big the grill is. Beautiful detail though. This is such a nice one. Love the tawny brown kind of color on the interior. Look at that. Beautiful, nice, big luxury SUV rear end. Uh-oh, does this not even go far? It doesn't even go that far. Man, what the heck, man? You really gonna do me like that? Probably if I force it, it'll go farther, but right now we're just gonna leave it like that. Check that out. Yeah, it looks like an LX600. Yep, that's what it is. So it's a Series LX SUV. Very nice. Pearl white color. Beautiful sunroof there. This is an awesome model. Love seeing these driving around. These are such reliable vehicles. Maybe not on the electronics after a while, but these definitely have good motors. And the earlier releases even get a lot better lifespan. These Lexus LXs, they'll run forever if you take care of them. Anyway, awesome, beautiful model. If I could take one of these, paint it black, put an off-road kit on it, I would love that. That would be my dream SUV. If I had enough to pay for gas, these things are gas guzzlers. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. This is going to be one of my new favorite Matchbox in my collection. 2022 Lexus LX SUV, new model for 2023 in the moving parts lineup. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more.